guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my rice water recipe. So this is the rice water recipe that I use for my scalp, and honestly guys, it works. Like, you can check my previous videos. I'll probably have a playlist down below for all my rice water videos, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my rice water today. And this is my rice water. So this is the one that I make. People can make it differently. I make it however I feel is best for my hair or my scalp. So this is what my rice water looks like right here. And honestly, it smells amazing. So it smells so good. So this is the rice water that I use, and honestly, a little bit does go a long way with this rice water. You don't need a lot. So I'm tired of burping on camera. This is so annoying. Sorry y'all. But I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you guys through all the ingredients that I use for my rice water mixture. So if you guys did not know the benefits of rice water, it does help to strengthen your hair and pretty much speed up the growth rate of your hair. Honestly, the thing or the ingredient in it that mostly helps to speed up the growth process of your hair is the inositol that is found in rice. And that is why this looks so cloudy and beautiful. This is literally magic in a bottle, y'all. This is what you want. Like, honestly, this is what you want. So honestly, once you spray it on your scalp, hold on, let me find a good scalp spot. Oh, I missed my scalp completely. Is this right? Nope, no. Right. Okay, there we go. Wait, no, I missed it. Okay, that was honestly too many sprays, but it's because I can't see where my scalp is. But you will take one squirt or one spray of this and just kind of rub it into your scalp. Just rub it in, and once you do that, you'll get this cool tingling sensation because the ingredients that I put in my rice water, I went ahead and added a few things that I felt like would really kind of speed up, or not even speed up, just also add to the stimulation of your scalp, just to help your hair grow even more. Like, if you're already putting a product or a item on your scalp that's supposed to make your hair grow, why not mix it with other things that'll make it grow even better or even faster, or just kind of stimulate your scalp as well. So this does have a lot of oils in it, along with the rice water, or along with the inositol that is found in the rice. So it is moisturizing as well. So what I'm going to do is walk you guys through the ingredients that I use for my rice water. So first and foremost, you're going to need rice. It's just simple. It's not rocket science. You're going to need rice. I don't always use organic rice, but definitely use organic rice if you are, concerned about the benefits of organic rice versus non-organic. I don't know. You can use organic rice 9 times out of 10. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but you can use organic rice if you would like. This one wasn't made with organic rice, but usually I do make it with organic rice. Or sometimes, it's like 50-50. Sometimes I'll make it and sometimes I won't. Sometimes I won't. Anyway, so I'm just gonna also walk you guys through the other ingredients that I do add to the rice water, just to give it an added bonus of hair growth stimulation. So the first thing that I put in my rice water is peppermint oil. So I definitely put 100% peppermint oil in my rice water, and honestly, this stuff, first of all, it makes it smell amazing. Second of all, this stuff really does make your scalp tingle, and when your scalp does tingle, that does stimulate your follicles, and that does just also promote hair growth. So that's why I put peppermint oil in there as well. And the next thing that I do put in there is tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is good and beneficial for hair growth, as well as making your scalp making your scalp tingle, which will stimulate your scalp as well. So I do also use tea tree oil. And the tea tree oil, I don't put a lot of it because it does have a very strong smell, and since I do put the peppermint oil, I don't have to put too much of this in there, but I do put tea tree oil in there also just to give it an added bonus of scalp stimulation. And the last two that I put into the rice water, they're really more so for like the smell aspect of it, but they do also kind of just help you feel relaxed. And honestly, if you're putting this on your scalp, the whole goal is to really just feel calm and relaxed. It's kind of like a pamper to me. When I spray my scalp down with this, to me it's like a pamper type of situation where you just kind of pampering yourself. So I like to add fragrances that kind of make you feel just like you're in a spa, make you feel good, make you feel relaxed, and all that type of stuff. So the first thing that I do put in there is lavender oil. And lavender oil is really good for just like relaxation and just soothing. It's a very zen smell. Like, I love the smell of lavender. It smells so good. Like, it just reminds me of my childhood, because whenever I used to take a shower, or not even a shower, because when I was a kid I used to take baths. So when I get out the bathtub, my mom would take like lavender oil, and we had like a little roller ball of lavender oil, and she'd put it on my palms and on the bottom of my feet. And then when you sleep, you just feel, I don't know, you just feel so relaxed. Like, that's, so this is really why I use lavender oil. It just reminds me of just relaxation and just a comfort, just like a comfort place to me personally. And the next thing that I do add is also chamomile oil. And chamomile also does have like a relaxation type of zen smell to it. I don't know if we're programmed to think that chamomile is like good for relaxation. I don't know, but I just know that it smells so good. It just makes you want to just kind of just relax. So yeah, the chamomile and the lavender are both fragrances that I add to my rice water just to give it a relaxation type of pampering type of feel, like a spa or something. So that's what I do for my, oh, it smells so good, for my rice water. And back to the packaging. This is my rice water bottle that I do put it in. This is a glass bottle, and glass to me is just better than plastic because it doesn't have any BPA's. It's not something that like the chemicals and things like that are in the plastic will not get into your product, because you don't want to be spraying products. Wow, you really gonna be that loud outside my window? Wow. Anyway, because you don't want to be spraying plastic or just kind of chemicals onto your scalp. Your scalp is super sensitive. You don't want to be adding no type of problems, okay? That's not the goal. So, ooh, let me fix my hair. I haven't looked at myself the whole time. And let me see how I'm looking, because I ain't trying to look crazy on here. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's see. Okay, like I was saying, yeah, I put it in a glass bottle because plastic bottles, to me, they're just a lot. There's a lot going on with those. So yeah, I put it in a glass bottle, and honestly, you don't need a lot of this. You don't need a lot when you spray it. You just want to really aim for your scalp, and when you do aim for your scalp, you do also want to go for your ends, but you don't need to spray a lot. So, ooh, why am I burping? I'm sorry, y'all. I just ate. That's why I'm burping. Let me stop acting like I don't know. I'm sorry. Hopefully I edit that out. If not, I'm so sorry. I'm just gross. I'm sorry. Anyway, so yeah, what was I saying about this? Yeah, you don't need a lot, and also if you do want to spray it on your ends, definitely do that. It's not really, you don't have to spray it on all of your hair. Well, this is just how I do it. This is how I apply my rice water. You can apply it however you want. So yeah, this is just the rice water mixture that I use, and y'all, this stuff is like, it's like really amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, if you have cornrows in your hair, because typically when I do have cornrows, that's when I see the most growth, because that's when it's like the easiest for me to get to my scalp. So when I'm wearing wigs and I have cornrows in my hair and it's like already parted, I'll just take it and spray like maybe like 2 to 3 sprays per scalp part and just rub it in. Like, you don't have to spray like a ton all over your scalp. You just spray it and rub it in, and then you'll get the nice tingly sensation. You'll smell the chamomile, you'll smell the lavender, and it just feels like You just feel like you're at a spa because your scalp is tingling. I don't know about you guys, but whenever a product makes my scalp tingle, I really feel like it's making my hair grow. I don't know if that's right, but that is right because it's true. Like when you things that do help your hair grow is scalp stimulation. So products that make your scalp that make your scalp tingle, those do help with hair growth, as well as brushing your hair, because that is, or brushing or combing out your hair, because that does stimulate your scalp. As you're brushing it, your scalp is getting, it's getting manipulated. You don't want to over manipulate, but definitely those are the two things that I know of that do help benefit your hair growth. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what's going on with me. Anyway, so yeah, this is the packaging for the rice water, and I told you guys the ingredients. Another thing that I want to mention is I don't let let's see, my nose is itching. I don't let mine ferment too much, because I feel like, because I don't rinse this out. This is just a spray that I spray on my scalp and I leave it, because I'm not putting it all over my entire hair. I just mostly focus it on my scalp, and sometimes I put it on my ends as well. So I don't let it ferment too much. I just want the rice to just kind of sit in the water a little bit. I don't want it to be like funky. I don't want it to be to the point where it's like you have to rinse it out, because your scalp will stink if you use it. So I might leave it. I might let it sit for like, sometimes I'll just let it sit for 24 hours in a cool place though. I don't let it sit anywhere where it's hot. I let it sit in a cool place. Like if you want to put it in the fridge, I let it sit and let it not ferment, because it's really just steeping at that point, because you're not really trying to make it ferment. Well, you can make it ferment, but since I don't rinse mine out, I don't want it to ferment too much, because I just feel like, no, because you're not rinsing it out. So you don't want those problems, okay? You don't want those problems. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come to you guys, let you guys know how I make my rice water and pretty much what I put it in. I put mine in a glass bottle because I just don't want those BPA chemicals. I don't want nothing else getting in my rice water besides the already ingredients that I added into it. And honestly, it smells so good. It smells like it's gonna make your hair grow. Like, it doesn't smell like any type of like medicine. It just smells good. It smells good and relaxing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good to me. I don't know, maybe it's because I made it myself. I don't know, but I just love this stuff so much, and it does make your hair grow. I will also have a video down below just showing you guys how I do apply it. So, well, I do it a little different now, because in the first video showing how I applied it, I rinsed it out because I was spraying it all over my hair. But since I did kind of modify how I make it, and I did modify the ingredients as well, I don't rinse it out now. Now I just spray it on my scalp and I just let it fly. Like, you spray and go, spray and go. So that's what I do now. But I will show you guys a video down below of how I did apply it, but you guys know how I apply it now because I just said it. But anyways, yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know my rice water ingredients, or the rice water recipe. So I did go over, the ingredients with you guys, and it's literally just chamomile oil, lavender oil, well, not just, because this stuff, okay, is the truth. Peppermint oil and tea tree oil with the rice water mixture. And you let it sit, you let it steep. I add however much I want to add. The most prominent ingredient that I do add besides the rice is peppermint oil, because this is what's gonna make your scalp tingle. And once that scalp is tingling, your hair is growing, okay? And imagine your scalp tingling every day. Like, you don't want to spray too much. You just want to spray it up to where your scalp can absorb it. You can feel the stuff working, and then you just go about your day. Like, that's how I do it. That's how I do it, okay? I don't know how anybody else does it. That's how I do it. So yeah, these are the ingredients, and it made this beautiful baby right here. I would kiss it, but I have on lip gloss and I don't want it to get on my beautiful bottle. But yeah, this is what I put it in. Glass bottle, gold cap. It's so cute. It smells like heaven. I love it so much. This stuff makes my hair grow, so I'm happy about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know how I made my rice water. And I do plan on doing another video very soon, just showing before and after of the growth that I am doing, because I haven't done that in a long time. And I did trim my hair like a few months ago. So what I will do is probably wear a wig for a solid month and just spray this stuff on my scalp every day. And I'll go ahead and let you guys see that process as well, and do a length check starting when I first put the braids in, a length check of my hair, and then when that month does go by, I'm sorry y'all, when that month does go by, then I will do how much growth I did attain by using this product. This stuff works, like it really does work, because I noticed in my last video my hair looked thicker. It looked thicker as well. I was like, dang, okay, rice water, you better do your thing, okay? You better do your thing. Anyway, so yeah, that is pretty much, let me sit these down. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was informative or helpful. I just wanted to show you guys how I made my rice water, and I just wanted to briefly touch bases on the benefits of using rice water on your scalp, because it is beneficial if you want your hair to grow. So thank you again so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me floating. When I dive deep, I feel the pressures of the ocean.